Imagine planting flowers just once and enjoying beautiful blooms year after year without having to replant them every season. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what perennial plants do. Not only do they come back every year, but many of them spread quickly, filling your garden with vibrant colors, attracting butterflies and bees, and requiring surprisingly little maintenance once established. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 incredible perennial plants that grow fast and transform empty spaces into lush, colorful landscapes. In this first part, we'll cover the first 7 plants, explaining why gardeners love them, how to grow them successfully, and what makes each one special. So stay with me until the end because you might discover your next favorite garden plant. Let's get started. Number 1, Catmint, Nepeta. Our first perennial is Catmint, one of the easiest and most reliable flowering plants you can grow. Catmint produces masses of lavender blue flowers that bloom from late spring well into summer. In many climates, if you trim the plant after its first bloom, it will reward you with another impressive round of flowers later in the season. Besides its beautiful blooms, Catmint has fragrant gray-green foliage that gives your garden texture even when it's not flowering. One of the biggest reasons gardeners love Catmint is its toughness. Once established, it tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil surprisingly well. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for busy gardeners who don't have time for constant watering. Another huge advantage is that bees, butterflies, and other beneficial pollinators absolutely love Catmint, while deer and rabbits usually leave it alone. Whether you plant it along walkways, borders, or mixed flower beds, Catmint quickly creates a soft, colorful display that returns every year. Number 2, Coreopsis. Coming in at number 2 is Coreopsis, also known as tickseed. If you love cheerful flowers that bloom for months, Coreopsis deserves a place in your garden. Its bright yellow, orange, pink, or red flowers bloom continuously from early summer until fall, bringing long-lasting color when many other plants begin to fade. Coreopsis is famous for being incredibly easy to grow. It thrives in full sunlight and doesn't require rich soil to perform well. In fact, it often blooms better in average garden soil than in overly fertile ground. Deadheading, or removing faded flowers, encourages even more blooms throughout the growing season. This perennial is also drought-tolerant once established and attracts butterflies, making it an excellent choice for pollinator gardens. Its compact growth habit makes it perfect for flower borders, cottage gardens, and containers. Number 3, Creeping Phlox. At number 3, we have the breathtaking Creeping Phlox. If you're looking for a flowering ground cover, it's hard to beat this spectacular perennial. Every spring, Creeping Phlox becomes almost completely covered with thousands of small flowers in shades of pink, purple, white, and blue, creating what looks like a colorful floral carpet across the ground. This plant spreads naturally, making it ideal for covering slopes, rock gardens, pathways, retaining walls, and garden borders. Besides its beauty, Creeping Phlox helps suppress weeds by covering bare soil, reducing the amount of maintenance your garden requires. It performs best in full sun with well-drained soil and is surprisingly hardy in cold climates. During bloom season, it's also a favorite stop for butterflies and early-season pollinators. Number 4, Black-Eyed Susan. Next on our list is the classic Black-Eyed Susan. This iconic perennial is instantly recognizable thanks to its golden yellow petals surrounding a rich, dark brown center. Black-Eyed Susan blooms from midsummer well into autumn, providing reliable color during the hottest months of the year. It's an extremely hardy plant that tolerates drought, heat, poor soil, and neglect far better than many other flowering plants. As the plant matures, it spreads gradually, creating larger and more impressive clumps every year. The flowers attract bees and butterflies throughout summer, while the seed heads become a valuable food source for birds during fall and winter. Whether planted in naturalized gardens, prairie landscapes, or traditional flower beds, Black-Eyed Susan adds warmth and brightness wherever it grows. Number 5, Bee Balm, Monarda. At number 5 is the stunning Bee Balm, a true magnet for wildlife. Its unique, shaggy-looking flowers bloom in shades of red, pink, purple, and white, instantly adding dramatic color to any garden. As the name suggests, Bee Balm attracts large numbers of bees, but it also draws butterflies and hummingbirds, making your garden come alive with activity. This perennial spreads steadily through underground rhizomes, allowing it to fill empty spaces over time. Bee Balm grows best in full sun to partial shade with consistently moist, well-drained soil. Its fragrant leaves have traditionally been used to make herbal tea, and the plant belongs to the mint family. To reduce the chance of powdery mildew, provide good air circulation and avoid overcrowding your plants. With proper care, Bee Balm creates a spectacular summer display that returns bigger every year. Number 6, Creeping Jenny. Number 6 is the versatile Creeping Jenny. Unlike many flowering perennials, Creeping Jenny is mainly grown for its striking foliage. Its bright chartreuse or golden green leaves spread rapidly across the ground, creating a lush carpet that brightens shady corners and softens hard edges in the landscape. It works beautifully as a ground cover, around stepping stones, spilling over retaining walls, or cascading from hanging baskets and containers. During summer, the plant also produces small yellow flowers that add extra charm. Creeping Jenny prefers moist soil and grows well in both full sun and partial shade, although leaf color is often brightest in sunny locations. Because of its vigorous spreading habit, it's important to monitor its growth and trim it occasionally to keep it where you want it. Number 7, Shasta Daisy. Our final plant for today's list is the timeless Shasta Daisy. With its crisp white petals surrounding bright yellow centers, this perennial never goes out of style. Shasta daisies bloom throughout summer, creating a clean, fresh appearance that complements almost every garden design. These flowers are excellent for cutting, lasting a long time in floral arrangements while continuing to bloom outdoors. Shasta daisies thrive in full sun with well-drained soil and require very little maintenance beyond occasional watering and removing spent flowers. Every few years, dividing mature clumps helps keep the plants healthy and encourages even more vigorous growth. Butterflies and bees frequently visit the blooms, adding even more life to your garden. Their dependable performance and classic beauty make Shasta Daisy one of the best perennial flowers for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. So there you have it, the first 7 fast-growing perennial plants that you only need to plant once to enjoy for many years. Each of these plants brings something unique to your garden, whether it's vibrant flowers, lush ground cover, or valuable support for pollinators. Even better, they become fuller and more beautiful with each passing season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our gardening tips. Also, let us know in the comments, which of these perennials is your favorite, and which one would you love to grow in your garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.